Hey everybody, this is Hunter and I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. Again, back-to-back great days. We are selling a ton of campers. 660 units sold last month. It's only the 9th or 10th of this month. We're already well over 150 and things are going great in the industry. They are absolutely booming. And here is one of the campers that is helping us succeed so much. This is the 2021 Sierra 379 FLOK, and those last two initials, OK, do not do it justice, but it does have an outside kitchen. There was a quick tour of the outside. Now let's head on into the inn. This thing comes in around 53,000 smackaroos. It has a 20-foot awning, weighs about 12.8. It's 13 feet 2 inches high and has a loading capacity of 2,500. For the money, it does not get much better. I love Sierra. I love selling them. I can just shake your hand and say see you later. Unless you just want to call and talk, you're not going to have issues like you do with most of your campers. Beautiful island kitchen, big old refrigerator. Check out this storage space they snuck in there. It's not super overall deep. The middle one's pretty good. But just look how sharp that thing looks. And this island kitchen just looks fantastic. They even put some, I don't know what you'd call it, but up on the lights above that island, they kind of put this like metal basket looking thing, and it looks pretty darn good. I'm not sure if I shot it. I can't quite remember. Yeah, there's a little peek of it right there. And right over here with where the blue accent lighting is, you got a couple little plug-ins there. One's for your cable. There's an outlets. There's even USB ports, and there's USB ports over this entire thing. And right there's the control panel for a lot of your camper. This living room, the front living, the FL part of the FLOK is awesome. 2 pull-out couches there, so you have a ton of sleeping space, a fireplace to keep you nice and warm. Nice little overlook there. And as you saw in the short tour, I didn't do in the long one, there is a TV that rises out. It only takes about 5 or 6 seconds to raise that up, so you have a place to watch a movie, or if you have a view, I mean, it's just a nice thing to have, especially if you're overlooking anything that looks nice. And if you're not, there's a blackout shade you can drop down. Ignore the world. Look at that. Double tap and the lights turn on. I don't know why they did it, but I'm glad they did. It makes it feel fancy. It makes it nice. That table right there has a little leaflet that comes out so you can sit 4, or if you don't want to hip check it, you put it back in, you're good to roll, baby. Now this bedroom, it's got plenty of drawers here, or plenty of closets, I guess. This one just happens to be massive. There's one on either side of that window. I'm only going to show you one today, but it's got some nice pull-outs right there. I mean, these are big and deep. It's probably about half of a home dresser. And the bed there is some storage underneath that you can get to, and some cabinets that I did not feel like reaching up, keeping it a nice chilly 66. And this bathroom that they have there, oh, that's nice. This bathroom that they have, it is one of my favorite bathrooms. I'm actually currently in it while I'm talking to you, just walking around the camper while we're talking. But take a look at that, some fine muscles. Those don't come with the camper, those are extra and taken, sorry ladies. But look at that shower. That shower was huge. I mean, you can sit down in it, you can turn around in it, do anything you want. There's a nice place for a washer and dryer or anything else that you might need in this. Extra storage, winter jackets, anything you want. I don't know if you're living in it or vacationing in it. But yeah, there's plenty of space. Even more muscle. I mean, it's just a really great feature, and one that I think is very good looking. But guys, I greatly appreciate you watching. There's one last peek of the inside before we head on out. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you like my style. If you don't, I understand. Just silently disappear for me. I don't need the hate. Some of you guys are mean. I got called the worst salesman ever on one video, and I don't think that's true. I'd at least consider myself middle of the road, if not above average. Big old outdoor kitchen there. I'm going to let you guys finalize around the outside. Have a great day. See ya.